All right, the engine is split. We did not try to take the cams, the gears off the ends of the cams. We just left them in here, and I'm hoping I can put this thing back together with the cams in place. I don't see any reason why we shouldn't. We found that one of the screws that goes in here to tie the case halves together, one of these was missing. It goes in here like this, and the one in the back was missing. So I'll order one for this side. Apparently it was put together with silicone seal. I do not like silicone, Sam I am. We're going to put it back together with anaerobic gasket sealer. So we got some scraping to get all this silicone off of here. What I use, in case you're interested in knowing, is Permatex anaerobic gasket maker. It goes on soft and stays soft and seals beautifully. So when I put it back together, I will use this anaerobic. That's about all I can tell you now. I'm going to lift the crankshaft out and start doing a lot of cleaning on these cases.